You don't need a full team to bring your anime to life. Animon Studio offers a professional experience that rivals top-tier platforms, with tools designed specifically for anime. With precise details and smooth animation, it's the most dedicated and professional platform for creating full anime series. Today we are putting Animon AI's video generation to the test against two other top AI video generators to see which one delivers the best results for anime-style animation. We begin with a pre-generated image. I add a simple action prompt and let the first AI video generator do its work. Next, we move on to another well-known AI video generator. Again, I upload the exact same image, use the exact same prompt, and run the exact same test. Finally, it is time for Animon AI to step in. Same image, same prompt, using the Pro model to get the best that the platform has to offer. With all three videos ready, I place them side by side so you can compare them in real time. The first one, honestly, it looks like it barely even tried. The motion is minimal, and it does not feel like it captures the energy of the scene at all. The second and third results are much stronger, with smoother motion and more dynamic animation. One of these two is from Animon AI, and yes, you guessed it, this one is Animon AI. The details are sharper, the movement feels more natural, and the overall style stays true to the anime aesthetic. When it comes to anime-style video generation, Animon AI has the edge because it is built specifically for that purpose. It delivers results that stand in a league of their own compared to other AI video generators in the anime category. You can now generate full 1080p images with sharper details, perfect for animation or design. Character consistency is improved, keeping visuals aligned across different poses and scenes. Prompt accuracy is better too, capturing fine details and expressions for more control. The new image editor lets you fix or adjust specific parts of an image just by typing what you want to change. There is no need to use a brush or manual tools. In-betweening has also been added, generating smooth transitions between two images to create more natural animation. With high resolution, prompt control, editing, and in-betweening, Animon Studio makes anime creation faster and easier. This is what Animon Studio looks like. The layout is still familiar: menu on the left, public gallery in the center, and profile settings in the top right. The design is clean, simple, and keeps everything organized. Like before, Animon AI stays lightweight and beginner-friendly, now with even more tools. Next to your profile, there's a toggle to switch between the paid studio and free community version. The community version lets you generate basic images and videos using light models. Advanced features like image-to-image, editing, in-between, and top models are only in the paid studio version. Switching to studio also changes the interface to a dark theme and unlocks all features instantly. We'll go over pricing later. Let's check out the features first. Animon AI's image generation tool is simple and beginner-friendly. In the center is the prompt box, which supports up to 1,000 characters. It runs on two models, AniFrame F1S and AniFrame Pro 1.0. F1S costs 2 credits per image, and the Pro version costs 8. You can choose image ratios, pick styles, and decide how many images to generate. There's also a credit breakdown that shows exactly how many credits are used. It's a small feature, but really helpful. F1S is available for free in the Community tab, so you can test it without spending credits. I use the same prompt on both models. Overall, the free version struggles to follow prompts accurately. You may need to regenerate the image multiple times to get the result you want. However, it can still work well occasionally. If you are looking for the best quality and consistency, the Pro model is worth it. Next, let's explore the image-to-image feature. Few generative AI tools offer this feature, so it's great to see it included. If you are not familiar with image-to-image, it means you can upload an existing picture and transform it by changing its style or look. This feature uses a single model called Pro C 1.0, which is built in-house and designed for better consistency. Next, we select the image ratio, choose how many versions we want. As always, you can see the credit breakdown on the side, which shows exactly how many credits are being used for each generation. And then click Generate. The result looks solid. It successfully transformed the image into a different style. Image-to-image is one of my favorite features. With this tool, you can take an existing anime scene or manga panel and transform it into a new style, giving you more creative options for your content. Image editing, like image-to-image, uses the Pro C 1.0 model and costs the same in credits. But unlike image-to-image, it does not change the entire style of the picture. Instead, it focuses on making targeted changes to specific parts, such as the background, face, hair, sword, or clothes, while keeping the rest of the image the same. This is helpful if you like most of the image and just want to fix or improve a few areas. You do not need to use a brush or manual tool to make changes. You simply describe what you want in text, and the model applies the edit. This feature will be especially useful when doing in-betweens later on. One limitation is that you cannot upload your own images, as editing is restricted to those created within Animon AI. It would be great if they allowed users to upload and edit external images as well. For image to anime, the old model called Animon is no longer available. Anycut generates 5-second animations at 16 frames per second in 480p, although the resolution is fairly low. It is available for free in the Community tab, allowing you to test it without spending credits. Anycut Pro also runs at 16 frames per second and supports 720p video. The Pro model costs 40 credits for 480p and 80 credits for 720p per generation. Always check the credit breakdown before you generate just to be sure. Right now you can only upload anime, cartoon, or CG style images. To test it, I uploaded an image and entered an action prompt. First, we'll test the free Anycut version at 480p. Generate. Now using the same image and prompt, let's try the Pro version at 720p. Generate. As you can see, the Pro version looks much sharper and has better detail, but the regular version isn't bad either. You can upscale both videos to 1080p at a cost of 40 credits each. Let's do that and compare the results. Both 1080p versions use a new model called Ani SR 1.0 to upscale the video. The video created with the Pro model has more detail, brighter contrast, and richer colors. The light version also holds up well and can be a solid choice if you're looking for a more affordable option. You can also switch back to the original resolution anytime using this button. Overall, I recommend starting with the light version. Once you get the prompt right, switch to the Pro version for higher quality results. In-betweening means creating the frames between a starting and ending image to automatically produce smooth animation. For best results, use two similar-looking images. I used image editing to remove the blue bike from this image. You will be using this feature a lot if you are working with in-betweens. By giving the AI a starting and ending frame along with a prompt, you guide how the animation should move. Although it may cost more credits up front, in-betweening provides more accurate results and can save credits in the long run. I think the results look great. Even though it only outputs in 480p, we can always upscale it to 1080p. This in-betweening method offers better control, handles complex actions more effectively, and delivers more reliable results compared to generating animations from a prompt alone, which can often produce random or off-target output. You can still create unlimited images and anime videos using the light models in the free community version, but only one task can be queued at a time, though wait times may go up during busy hours. Animon Studio costs $49.90 and comes with all premium tools and 4,800 credits. The only things missing are a lip sync tool and a basic video editor to pull everything together. Overall, the Studio update is a big improvement. Strong features, a generous free version, and fair pricing. So are you ready to try it out? I suggest you start free with the community version and see what you can create. If you want more control, better quality, and full access, the Studio upgrade has you covered.